Trust You presents 6 Secrets on How to Make a List of Your Qualities and Strengths. As humans, we all possess unique qualities and strengths that define who we are. These qualities and strengths are essential in shaping our personal and professional lives. However, many of us struggle to identify our positive attributes, and we often focus more on our weaknesses. Making a list of your qualities and strengths can help you gain a better understanding of yourself and boost your confidence. It can also be a helpful tool when applying for jobs, preparing for interviews, or setting personal goals. In this video, we will discuss how to make a list of your qualities and strengths. 1. Start with self-reflection. The first step in making a list of your qualities and strengths is self-reflection. Take some time to think about your personal and professional experiences, accomplishments, and challenges. Consider the skills and characteristics that helped you succeed in these situations. Reflect on what makes you unique and what you enjoy doing. Some questions to ask yourself during this self-reflection process include: what are some of my proudest achievements, and what qualities and strengths did I use to accomplish them? What are some challenges I faced, and how did I overcome them? What activities do I enjoy doing the most, and what qualities and strengths do they require? What are some things that others have complimented me on, and what qualities and strengths do they reflect? 2. Consider feedback from others. Feedback from others can also help you identify your qualities and strengths. Ask your friends, family members, colleagues, and mentors to share their thoughts on your positive attributes. Consider the feedback carefully and identify the patterns and common themes. When asking for feedback, be specific about what you're looking for. For example, you could ask, what do you think are my greatest strengths and qualities? What are some things that I do well? What are some qualities or traits that you think define me? It's important to keep in mind that feedback from others should be taken with a grain of salt. While it can be helpful in identifying your strengths, it's ultimately up to you to decide which qualities and strengths to include on your list. 3. Use online assessments and tools. Online assessments and tools can be a great resource for identifying your qualities and strengths. There are many free and paid options available that can help you identify your personality traits, skills, and strengths. Some popular tools include Myers-Briggs Type Indicator MBTI, Clifton Strengths, and DISC Assessment. These assessments and tools can provide you with valuable insights into your strengths, but it's important to remember that they are not definitive. Use them as a starting point for identifying your qualities and strengths, but don't rely on them exclusively. 4. Focus on specific areas. Instead of trying to create a long list of qualities and strengths, focus on specific areas that are relevant to your personal or professional goals. For example, if you are applying for a job, focus on the skills and characteristics that are required for the role. If you are setting personal goals, focus on the areas that you want to improve. Some areas to consider when making your list of qualities and strengths include: personal qualities. These are traits that describe your character, such as honesty, integrity, and empathy. Professional skills. These are specific abilities that you've developed through your education, training, or work experience, such as communication, leadership, and problem solving. Interpersonal skills. These are skills that involve interacting with others, such as teamwork, collaboration, and conflict resolution. Talents and hobbies. These are things that you enjoy doing and are naturally good at, such as playing an instrument. Creativity. This is the ability to think outside the box and come up with unique solutions or ideas. Adaptability. This is the ability to adjust to new situations and work effectively in changing environments. 5. Prioritize your qualities and strengths. Once you have identified your qualities and strengths, it's important to prioritize them. Focus on the qualities and strengths that are most relevant to your goals and that you feel most confident in. This will help you to use them more effectively in your personal and professional life. To prioritize your qualities and strengths, consider the following. What are the most important qualities and strengths for achieving my goals? Which qualities and strengths am I most confident in? Which qualities and strengths do I want to develop further? 6. Use your list to set goals. Finally, use your list of qualities and strengths to set goals for yourself. Think about how you can use your positive attributes to achieve your personal or professional objectives. For example, if you have strong communication skills, you may want to set a goal to improve your public speaking abilities. Setting goals based on your qualities and strengths can help you to stay motivated and focused. It can also help you to identify areas where you need to improve and develop new skills. In conclusion, making a list of your qualities and strengths can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. By taking the time to identify your positive attributes, you can gain a better understanding of yourself and boost your confidence. Use the tips in this video to create a list of your qualities and strengths and use it to set goals for yourself. Remember that your qualities and strengths are unique to you, and they can help you to achieve great things in your personal and professional life. If you like the video and you want to help the channel grow, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe to the channel by activating notifications so you don't miss any news. Thanks for watching.